adventure with Leo! Cuckoo! Today we open unboxing a new toys of Play-Doh to make pizza together! Pizza! Pizza! Come on, Leo! Open it! Okay! 1, 2, 3! Open! Wow! Woo! Wow! Yeah, it's to make pizza! Wow! It's to make pizza! A lot of Play-Doh, green, white, brown, and pink, and here it's to make pizza. Wow! Now we open. Okay, just a minute. Okay, we open the first toys of pizza Play-Doh play set. 1. Now we open these. Okay. Wow. Okay. We open Play-Doh. White, pink, brown, and green. Okay. And now we open also this kind of toys to make pizza with Super Leo Adventure. Okay, also this one we open all, and the last one to cut pizza. Yoo-hoo! Leo, you like pizza? All like pizza. Wow, this is to cut pizza, and you use and eat pizza together. Okay, now we try to use a pizza play set. We use this 1, 2, 3. We put here. It's to make pizza. Okay. I open it. Okay. This is white. Okay. This is green. Yeah, this is green. And this is brown. It's white. Here is brown. Yeah. Oh. This is brown. This is green. Yeah. Wow. Oh, white. This is green. This is okay. And here you find a purple. Do you like purple? Yes. Yeah, just one moment, Leo. Yeah, it's a purple. Oh, yeah. Green, purple, okay. Okay, now we try to make the first pizza with Play-Doh. Okay, we take pasta and put here. Okay, put pasta here. Do you like pizza, Leo? Yes! Put pizza here and put inside here. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Yes! The first pizza! Wow! It's so nice pizza. We take all part then. Okay. Just a minute, Leo. Okay. Like this. 1 minute, Leo. Okay. Okay. We take all the first pizza like this. Now, okay, we put here under the cheese machine. Ooh, this is the cheese machine. We put inside, just a minute, Leo. Okay, we put inside cheese like this and like this. Okay, okay, okay. Ooh, the cheese, the cheese. Ooh, wow, wow. All the cheese on our pizza. Yes. Okay. And now we put on pizza other things. We have now our cheese on pizza, and now we use chili peppers on pizza like this, another chili peppers like this, mushrooms, another mushrooms, okay, and salad like this. Ooh, yummy, yummy this pizza. Another piece of cheese. Wow, it's nice. And now we take a piece of this pizza. Yummy, it's so good. Do you want, Leo? Wow, your piece of pizza. Yum. Another piece of pizza. Yum. It's good. Thanks for this new video of Super Leo. Bye bye. Bye bye. Ciao.